You got the old school Nike logo right here. What we got right here? Numbers and letters. All right, man. Y'all ready for this reveal, man? Go and get on with the get on. Stop playing. Skinny, stop playing, son. Open it, son. Oh, look how they packaged it. Huh? Whew. I'm pretty sure that's not how they come. But I mean, if they do come like that, y'all let me know in the comments if that's how the shoes come. Like, I don't think they come like that, my nigga. But if they do, I'll be surprised. Go and bust this big boy out. Man. And this colorway, I don't know if the top, that bitch look like it turned green. The colorway on this one is the Deep Royal Blue. Deep Royal Blue. Black Blue Royal. Hyper Jade Noir. Whatever. But I think it's really called a C something. In other videos I watched, got a little weight to it. I think my 95 is a little heavier, but I think it's supposed to come with 2 pair of shoestrings. Yeah, all right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so your foot is surrounded by this big bubble, like that's what they're saying. I'm down to see how it feel. Everybody's saying they fucking comfortable as fuck. So you got the paper on the inside, but I already know. Yeah, man, it's just a quick unboxing and a review before review. Like I said, I'm gonna go and lace these bad boys up when I get home. Probably do like a little on foot tomorrow, on foot video. You know, it's separate from the unboxing. So I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me, man.